What's up, everybody? We are going to do a bit of modification today. We're going to jump on Forza Horizon 4. Going to pick ourselves a car. Now, I already know what car I want to mod today. It's going to be a Nissan, and it's going to be turbo, and it's going to be a 240SX. Alright, so we're going to go for an S13 and jump straight in. We got... Did it just wink at me? I see them sneaky headlights pop down. Pop up headlights. What colour, what colour, what colour? Okay, we'll pick a base colour. A factory colour to start with. Hey, factory. They did a gold. I want the gold. Alright, I'm just going to roll with this colour to start with, just so we can see the mods as we put them on. Did I pick the colour? What am I doing? What am I pressing? Select. Yes, I want to buy it. Yeah, I got to buy it. Cha-ching! They're taking my money. Give me my car. Alright, so we are going to do some modifications to the car. And then at the end... It's winking! Oh. Alright, very, very cool. So, I love these cars. I love these cars. I remember when a mate of mine brought one for £400. MOT'd, roadworthy, drove it home. And he did crash it, mind you. But try and buy one of these for £400 now with an MOT. No chance. Right, sweet. So we have purchased our new vehicle. So now we are going to go into mods, because that's what we like to... Oh, body kits. We're going straight in. Rocket Bunny, hook me up. So sick. Oh my gosh, look at the back end of that. Oh, we might have to put this on, people. So what's that other body kit preset? That's dropped it lower. We've got to have the lows on the back. Okay, we're just going to jump out of there. Obviously, I think we're definitely going to have to put that on. But I just want to check out what individual parts we can put on this bad boy. Sometimes you can go in conversion. Yeah, body kit. This does a different... Is that different? Yeah, it's just kind of stuck the kit on without the words. I kind of like that, and it gives us opportunities to put our own bits on it. So we're going to go Rocket Bunny kit. Let's stick it on. Bosh. Have some of that. Rightio. We're not going to worry too much. We're going to go visuals first. Now, let's definitely check we got all the loads we can get. Get the old springs. Oh, I love this bit. Oh, it's getting lower. Oh, but it's so high, but then low. Oh, so high, low. Okay. What a good looking car. So definitely all the lows there with the adjustable suspension. Alright, wicked. Other visuals, what we got? So we can play with the spoiler ring. Oh, it's so sick. Ooh. Not a fan. Ooh, a little ducktail, cheeky ducktail. That's pretty cool. High wing or ducktail? I'm feeling ducktail just because I think it makes that back end look a bit fatter. Yeah, ducktail on. Boom. What else can we do? Yeah, let's go for a really good time. Oh, so we're going to pick ourselves a set of rims. Now, it's hard to say what suit this. I mean, I'm a fan of free spokes. I know not everyone is, but not on this car. Sleeker GC4s, free spokes all day long, but not on here. That's different. I feel we need some sort of dish, deep dish. We got a big body kit. Let's have a hunt through for something with a bit of a dish. You can't go wrong with 5 spokes, to be fair. And these, what are they, the 1552s? I like these wheels on a lot of things, but again, not feeling it on here. Oh, man. It's tricky, isn't it? It's tricky because wheels are what make the car, so there is a lot to go through. Okay, so what I went for in the end were these dished OZ racing wheels with the Horizon stickered tyres. I think that's quite a good little Little setup on here. Now, some of the cars you can adjust the track, so how far the wheels stick out to get a bit of poke on them, but you can't on here because it's got the kit. But again, I think that's looking pretty decent. Right, so now we've got all that on there. Not feeling the colour at all. So, yeah, install sale. Yeah. Take my money. Take my money. Yeah, so what we'll do, let's change that colour. Let's get a bit Larry on the colour, perhaps. Brush. Paints and designs into there. Paint car. Right now, always, all my cars. Tint windows, boom, black. Black as can be. Can't see through them, don't care. It looks amazing. Right, so then, right, manufactured cars. Oh, now, how good does that look? Red with the gold wheels. I think we're there. I mean, let's just have a quick cheeky little look. Dark green. That silvery colour. Again, they look pretty cool. Let's go through some normal colours. Black with gold wheels. Black. Pretty sick. You know what? I quite like that. It's interesting, it's bold, it's quite a nice colour, and it goes well with the gold. I think we're in. I'm in, sold, bosh. Okay, so pretty happy with the visuals so far. Let's jump into some performance mods. Let's go to conversions just to start with. Let's keep it, these are rear wheel drive anyway, let's keep it rear wheel drive, just because it's more fun. What can we, engine swap, ooh. 3.2. I mean, let's see. 2-litre turbo. I mean, if turbo rally 3. Rotor racing. Oh my gosh! Look at the horsepower. How much is that? 60. Yeah, maybe we can't. There's no point in going too wild. You know what? I'm quite tempted to keep it stock, just purely because I want to see what kind of sounds we get from it. So I think let's not go mad and swap engines. Not today. Let's go and just put a few performance mods on here. So let's go for exhausty pipe and airy filter. Get it breathing good. I don't know if it affects the sound too much on here. It probably doesn't, but I like to think in real life that's the first things I'd be doing. Get some sounds out of it and just be whacking on air filter and exhaust. So yeah, I'm just going to stick on nothing too major. I don't want it too crazy because the thing is they become undrivable on here if you go too nuts with it. Let's just adjust the valves as well. Let's get that going. Let's get a bit of horsepower in it, but nothing too Larry. Okay, so I think we're there. It looks sick. Let's go take for a tunnel run and see if we're happy with this bad boy. Okay, so we're at the tunnel. We're going to do a tunnel run. It started to rain, of course. But now it's outside. The colour, I think we can find a better colour for it. So next time I might whiz through and play with the colours on it. But it's okay. I mean, it's pretty cool. And the wheels are wicked. Let's see what it sounds like through the tunnel. Oh, first off, the inside view on it.
If you want to swing by the garage, I've got that Lotus Elise polished up and looking pretty sweet.
He's got a sweet looking Lotus for me. We'll hook up later, man. So the interior on these, steering wheel's on the wrong side. But look how cool it looks. Absolutely epic. Right, so let's do a tunnel run. We're going to go inside first and then outside. We'll probably hear it a bit better on the outside. But let's pull in first gear and we're going to give some beans. Yes, the lights are popped up. I'm so happy that's been my day. That's been my day. The lights popped up. I was on the interior shop. Sounds good. Right, let's turn around without getting too mash up. Got an outside shot now for a reverse tunnel run. Yeah, boy. Sick. Okay, outside shot for the first time run. Absolutely epic. So yeah, loads of fun. But yeah, I wanted to run this little thing of modifying some cars on Forza just because it's cool and just because I love doing it, and there's not much else going on at the moment. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what car you want to see us get the mods on next. I might do some stock ones and just see how they sound through the tunnel, because I do know the CRX on here sounds pretty amazing in stock form. But yeah, let me know what you want to see. We'll bust them out, we'll get some cars going, mod them up, tunnel run them, see what they sound like. Pop-up headlights, so cool. I'm trying to drift, it's not powerful enough really. But yeah, game on. Please give us a like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll bust out whatever car you reckon we should see on the next video. So yeah, game on. Thank you guys, see you soon.